little blueberry, melon lemon, my little chubby gingy, snowzebritza, a snowflake, chubby little snowflake, chubby little girl, tropical. These are my budgies. Yeah. Say hello. So cute. Big Fluffy. Big boy. Huh? Fluffy. We got Pocket to the pigeon. Funny attitude one. Pinky pineapples. Malo, malo. Pinky pineapples. This one's my precious one. Malo Bebe. The little green one. And the lovebird. He's so precious. I love all my birds, but I do have my special ones. And he's definitely my favorite one. They love playing on their swings with the little toys. We just lift this up. He's more affectionate, this one. The girls just like to be playful, but he loves to be cuddled, kisses. Look at my little one. So cute. So cute. Got home not long ago from Coles. Bring more food for them to enjoy. I like to make them all nice and chubby, chubby, chubby. Yeah. Playing on the swing.